I received a very special package from Xiaomi, and man did I feel special when it came. I took a sneak peek into the package, and it turned out to be a special edition of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, aka the Mi Fan Edition 2021. Extra special, extra shocking. However, I was curious to find out what exactly made this special edition of the Redmi Note 10 Pro different from the retail versions which were available in the market, and what was the special factor about this device. So hi guys, it's Canolio here, and we are going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Special Edition. So it begins. Alright, we have the box here. This is a special package from Xiaomi, and take this box off, and when you turn it open, you get the special edition of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. Now my first impressions is wow. Oh, wow again, and wow. This is really special when it comes to packaging, and trust me, I'm not really the best person to give you brand advice as it stands now, but this is a story here. This is not just packaging, this is a story written in front of this package. For context, I'm going to show you the packaging of the retail version of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro here, and the packaging of the special edition on my left here. Now this is what you get typically in the market, but this is what you get here. The Redmi Note 10 Pro stands out as the 108 megapixel Voyager. That is the story of this device. Now for me, this is just packaging, showing the phone, showing all the features. But this is a story here. This is how you tell a story about a device, about a brand. It starts from the packaging, and this packaging here properly tells that story. In front of this, you get an astronaut trying to touch the solar system, or is trying to touch the sky directly from what I think to be planet Mars, from the red surface. But this is a voyage. This is somebody going on a voyage to an extreme planet, a different planet than Earth, which we all exist. And you take a look at this, you just have the device in front of it, basically focusing on the device, but this focuses on the story of this device. So in front of you here, you have that particular image showing the astronaut taking a voyage. You have the Redmi Note 10 Pro insignia boldly written here. By the side here, you have what seems to be more planets, and the Redmi Note 10 Pro with easy access to Google apps you use the most, which is the same thing you get here. Down here below, you have the Redmi Note 10 Pro. This is the gradient bronze version, and it has 128 gigs of internal storage and 8 gigs of RAM. Same thing you get here. You have what seems to be a spaceship and Mars. There's a lot of emphasis on Mars here, the planet Mars on this device. Probably traveling to unknown places, traveling to, I don't know, it just gives me that vibe. It tells that story properly. I just can't get enough of the packaging alone, because the story it tells is critical. It just explains the 108 megapixel Voyager. The whole voyage essence is spilled out by the packaging here. But enough about the packaging, so I'll just take this off. And still inside the box, you get what seems to be, would I call this a solar system stuff, or I don't know, but you still get something that has to do with space inside of the box. More of it. You get a picture card here on top of the envelope. The picture card contains the MFF, which stands for the Mi Fan Festival 2021, with an astronaut in front of it, the spaceship behind, and that black design. I haven't said much about the design, but this design is sleek. Behind this picture card, you now have stickers, lots of stickers. I'll probably be using them for my device a lot, and probably my laptop. Just stick it around in different places. Sticker is out. You have your envelope, still with the 2021 MFF branding in front of it. Open it up, you get your SIM ejector here. Bunch of documentation which includes the user guide and the warranty card, both of them here. Warranty card on my left, user guide on my right. You get your proper silicone transparent casing, or I call it TPU casing. Typical, same thing you get on the retail version, nothing different. And that's about the envelope. So typically this is minus the color, this is the same thing you get on the retail version. So I'll keep this aside. And to the device itself, this is the Redmi Note 10 Pro Special Mi Fan Edition 2021 Gradient Bronze. So I'll just take it off. And there is no difference. This is the same Redmi Note 10 Pro that I've handled. This is just the same thing. In front of it, you still have your AMOLED screen. At the back, you still have your 180 megapixel camera with the camera bump. There is no difference. It's typical, the same device you get on the retail version. However, towards the Redmi insignia, you still get the 2021 MFF branding, which is the Mi Fan Edition branding, right about here. And another thing to note is that, unlike the Glacier Blue, in my quick unboxing video, the link is actually in the description below. This is actually a fingerprint magnet. This is a fingerprint magnet. Like, my fingerprints actually show, unlike the Glacier Blue. So I think that's actually a turn off for me. The fingerprint magnet coming from the Glacier Blue that hides the fingerprint absolutely well. So typically you still get your AMOLED screen in front here with the punch hole cutout camera, 16 megapixel anyway in front of it. On the right hand side you get your volume rockers, punchy as well. You get your side mounted fingerprint which doubles as the power button. Below here you have one of the stereo speakers and your USB Type-C port, then the active noise cancellation mic. On the left here you still get your SIM tray, which contains slots for 2 SIMs and 1 slot for the memory card. On top of it you have your typical IR blaster, another noise cancellation mic, second stereo speaker and a 3.5mm jack. So here you have it. It's basically the same device. So I'm going to turn it on and see if there's anything else added that is special to it. So typically, it's still the same device, same interface, same UI when you turn it on for the very first time. Basically, the special wow effect of this device is mainly the packaging. I love this packaging. I am so much in love with this packaging. This is not the kind of packaging you're going to buy the device with and you're going to just dump it in one part of your house. This is something you can just get and you put it on your shelf, put it somewhere that is conspicuous, that people can look at it and say, wow. Because this here is not packaging, this is a story. The best thing I can say about it, this is a story. So I'll keep the device aside and let's see what else is in the box. You get your 33 watts fast charging brick here. Same thing you get on the retail version, and your USB Type-C cord. So here you have it. Quick unboxing of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Special Mi Fan Edition. Like I said, special thing here is the packaging and the engraving here with the Redmi insignia. You can check out the quick unboxing of the Redmi Note 10 Pro in the link in the description below. And please do not forget that a sub to the channel will be absolutely amazing.